The intelligent facial recognition feature can automatically categorize and organize photos by person, significantly improving photo management efficiency. This is especially useful in travel albums and photo libraries with multiple people, allowing for quick searches of specific individuals and saving time on manual sorting. Open the Photos app, click on the user avatar in the top right corner, and go to Settings. AI Settings. Check the update status of the facial recognition smart model. Update to the latest version. When set for a certain number of photos, the system will automatically generate a people album. If the number of photos is large, it is recommended to increase this value appropriately to improve the accuracy of recognition. Apply this setting to personal library. Return to the Photos, and the system will automatically recognize and categorize the photos in your personal library by person. The time required for recognition depends on the number of photos in the library and the system performance. After recognition is complete, you can name each person. The system will automatically generate a people album and gather photos of that person together for easy viewing and management. If you are not satisfied with the recognition results, you can re-recognize at any time. Go back to Settings. AI Settings. Click the Re-recognize button, and the system will re-recognize and categorize the photos in your personal library.